So this year's SONA comes against the backdrop of a different political climate within South Africa, one that we've not seen and one that will probably shape the trajectory of politics in our country for a very long time.
Right. So, I mean, three hot potatoes immediately, and these are issues around which the GNU do not agree, and these are all ANC initiatives. The National Health Insurance Act, so NHI is the one thing, expropriation of land. I mean, that's a big talking point globally now for one reason or another. And then the Bella Act. I wondered to what extent, I mean, we don't know what's in his speech, but I wondered to what extent there's almost a discussion to be had by the president with the country about where his government is at around those political hot potatoes.
Look, he'll have to address it. How he's going to address it, we don't know yet. And that we will then hear from the opposition parties, most notably the Democratic Alliance, which has come out against the NHI, Expropriation Act, and the Bella Act, right? So we'll have to hear from them post the SONA speech,
because they must now in government.
Yes, what they make of it and what their principle has made of the policies and the legislation that are in place. Bottom line is it's in place. It's been signed into law. How it's going to be implemented is another question, because Dean McPherson, the Minister of Public Works and Infrastructure with the Expropriation Act, is the expropriating authority, so he'll have to implement it. However, he's saying, well, this is not constitutional. We're getting legal opinion. We may be taking it to the Constitutional Court. So we have to see how they juggle this, if there's going to be a tug of war at all, whether some things will be put on hold like the president did with the Bella Act. But we'll only know this post 7 o'clock.
All right.